Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Hustling Labs. Today, we will be discussing some of the big updates that are coming up to our template Direxact. Just as a summary, Direxact is biggest, best no-code, specifically bubble template directory business. So with Direxact, you can build something like Yelp, TripAdvisor, or anything along those lines. In addition to that, we have functionality that would allow you to build something along the lines of Uber Eats or DoorDash, and also functionality that would allow you to build something along the lines of Airbnb or VRBO. With that being said, we have done a complete makeover to the UI, the US. We're bringing new features like Stripe connection that will be natively built into the template. In addition to that, we have some API calls that we're bringing some opportunities for this template. But I don't want to tell you too much. I want to show you what I'm talking about so you can make your own determination whether or not Direct is for you. With that being said, as of right now, March 12th, 2024, Direxact costs $39. March 25th, which is when we're releasing this update, Direxact price will increase to $59. If you want it, get it between now and March 25th before price increases. Or if you want to wait to see how the update works, and you can wait on, but we're releasing this update on March 25th. Price will increase on that same day. So please don't say that I didn't warn you. This is your warning. This is your fair warning. If you want Direct, if you want to build something along the lines of Airbnb, VRBO, Uber Eats, DoorDash, or just simply do a Yelp style business directory, this is the template that you want to use. You can forget about using WordPress. You can forget about trying other templates. Direxact is what you need. I'm telling you, we are making big changes. But without further ado, let's jump in. All right, what you're seeing right now is the new UI. But before we jump into this UI, what I would like to do is I would like to take you back to the old UI so I can show you some differences and similarities. So this is the old UI. Honestly, it's kind of nice, what we did. Definitely not, it didn't fulfill my vision of what a directory business should look like on one of the projects. So we decided to take the first 2 weeks in March to spend the rebuilding Direxact from the ground up with regards to the UI in the US, bring some new features and open some opportunities for all of you out there that want to be an exceptional directory business moving forward. So some pages that click to reality, they're okay. Right here. So here we have some things. This is okay. The nice thing about Direct is that you can customize every absolutely. This is all you want. Uh, like this is actually perfect UI before it more I used to more than it's perfect. Literally, I don't have an example to show you. So for those of you that might be wondering what is UI, UI is user interface, which is what you see. US is user experience, which is the experience the music being with confusing, what is intuitive. We have made big improvements. And we're not done yet. This is just an example that I'm about to show. This is part of the new US, as you can see, dark colors, really different than what it used to be, and more in line with our vision to do something completely different, something that you will be proud of. As you can see, there are some nice effects we have created some buttons. We're going to continue creating some of these effects, which you can remove if you need to. So going into the individual business listing is definitely something that I am facing. As you can see, there's a way to save. This would move down here. This is a work in progress. We're still 13 days away from on the release day, but this is in US that were released. Not colors and everything. Now it's parallel. I'm sorry, aligned. So it looks way more professional, in my opinion. There are no items apart. This is messaging that would be available. So patience and something. Let's go to the restaurant dashboard. In the restaurant dashboard, we have some customers information. There would be latest orders here. But the biggest thing that I want to show you is the commerce settings, which is in the template. And this is where you're going to be able to connect to Stripe, the restaurant, and you're going to be able to start accept orders. Site owner would be able to charge a commission. That's 5%, 10%, whatever you decide to be. And then you can accept orders or restaurants can accept orders through your application, a commission off of every sale that is made. So that allows you to monetize yours a little bit better. Let's go back. Something else that we're implementing is a way for bookings. So similar to Airbnb, people go to your site, they make a reservation for a certain location. Mission 5, staying 19 to 26, price is $41 per night, as you can see. The cost is $987. There's a $56 daily fee, which is established by property owner. Service fee is $79.96. I'm debating whether or not when the user hovers on a like a small report not pop up, but something that shows up that tells you, okay, so this is that. And there's still debating. So the grand total is 1,290%. Then if you go from here, you go to the checkout page, which is the station that we're renting, cost, something else to fix. We have 5 guests. These are the dates connected, 19 to 26, and that allows the guest to be able to confirm and pay the Stripe. Money is automatic, distributed. Part that goes to the property owner goes to the property owner. The part that goes to you goes to the guest. That you need to do. We got the user profiles. So there you can see like lab and stuff like that. We're going to bring some social media like pictures onto this profile. That's the reason for it to leave, but that won't be available until much later on. That's something that will be coming out, I was probably towards the end of this year. But if that's something that you're looking for in a directory website, definitely Direxact is something. Awesome. I want you to know we increase prices by $20 give or take every time that we have a major update. This is one of the major updates for Direxact 2024. And we expect to end the year at or about $99 probably one day, depending on how many features we ship between now and then. The nice thing is that you get every feature that we release from the moment that you buy it forward. So if there is like something that you definitely want now before price increases, because those prices will be incremental. And I get it, many people do it as a substantly. I'm just telling you straight up, price will increase. The reason why price will increase is because of the value and investing more hours in, therefore we're bringing more features and it's more valuable. But other than that, please let me know in the comments what you think about Direxact. What features would you like to see? Right now, we are going kind of blindly because we don't really know what people want. We haven't started collecting feedback. But I would love to know what you think. If there's a feature that you have in mind, please let me know. I would be more than happy to listen to you and see whether or not that is feasible to add to this directory template. Other than that, thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a thumbs up. It helps reach out to more people and it allows us to hopefully make more sales and bring more features in as more sales.